Hello from Slovenia again. This is just a video of me experimenting with some new pouring mediums. I mixed some craft glues and some binders and everything, and want to see what will happen, how the effects, if I will get some cool effects. Maybe I'm adding pearl white between every of the layer, and I'm using cadmium orange and I think magenta and primary yellow and pearl white and black, and I will blow it out with hair dryer, and the results are really interesting. Cells are so different and cool, so enjoy the video. Here is a close-up of my experiment. Oops, sorry. This is so cool. This middle with all this lacing. Sorry, I'm working late today. There is no daylight, but because it was just an experiment with a new mixture of products for the pouring medium, and the products are available in US, so stunning. I should have blown out on high fan right away because paints are thick, and obviously my fan would need a high fan for this, but the result is just cool. I love it. Want to do a big painting like that. Love it. So stay tuned for the dry result, and I will talk about the pouring medium a little more in some of my next videos if you are interested for this recipe.